Hi folks, Colin here, back with more rock and roll. Good to see you. We're going to look at some old 50s rock and roll today. An old Buddy Holly tune. It's a great tune and it's called Wishing. And I'm going to show you all the parts. I'm going to show you the solo as well as the sort of chords as well. So, it's in the key of E actually. But it actually starts on the A, which is the 4 chord. So you play an A chord, then you go to a B chord, then you go to an E chord. So you know your E-shaped bar chord, 5th fret, A, B, then you play an E chord using an A shape at the 7th fret. So you could do it down here just using your standard cowboy chords, A, B, E. Doesn't sound quite so good. Then we're going to go to a C sharp minor, which is like an A minor shape but at the 4th fret, so you bar it on the 4th fret. Wishing that I could see you, then back to A, every day. Wishing, same again, E, C sharp minor, that I could steal your, then go to B, heart to E. So the whole thing. Wishing that I could see you every day. Wishing that I could steal your heart away. Okay, so it's quite a simple song, but that's a really quite interesting chord progression. Then on the bridge, it goes back to A. I've been hoping all along. Then it goes to D. Things would turn out right. Then it goes to G. If I could find the wishing star. C. I would spend the night. Down to B. So C to B. Back to wishing that I could steal your love away. Okay, so that's the kind of verse and the bridge. Then the solo. So what we're doing is we're going to play a double stop. So imagine if you've got your A chord down here, but we're actually going to play it up at the 12th fret. So you're only going to play the 14 on the B and the 12 on the E. And you're going to hit that whammy bar. And then you're actually playing, you can imagine a D-shaped triad at the 11th fret, but it's actually a B chord when you're up there. So you're going to play 14 on the B, 12 on the E. Then you're going to play 12 on the B, 11 on the E. Then we're actually playing out of the E chord. So we're just barring on the 9th fret. And then I'm just going to play 12 on the high E with my pinky. So D, starting from D on the 9, 9, 9, 9, 12. Then we're going to come down 5, 4, 3 on the B, but play the E at the same time. Then we're going to play a little A bar on the 2nd fret of the B. I think it goes. So you're going to play the open E. So you're going between 2 on the B and open E. We're going to come up to A on the 5th fret. So you're going to play an A bar chord. But we're just going to play the middle 4 strings. So the whole thing. Oh no, sorry. So play the A bar chord. And you do the same thing again. And then it's. So we're going to play 2 on the B. And we're going to pedal to 2 on the G. Then we're going to play 5 on the B. Then 2 on the top E. back to 5 on the B. Then we're going to play a B, but we'll just play the finger on the 4th fret, and then we're going to play like a A major 7, so over that B, that actually creates another E chord. So that's playing the 4, 4, 4, and then we're going to play 7 on the D, 4, 5. So let's try the whole thing. Okay folks, so the main thing is that if you just sort of get into the habit, just giving your whammy pad a little sort of touch. It's not a heavy action. All I'm doing is just pressing down. Now you might do a more kind of aggressive, but there's not a great deal of movement really. I'm just putting pressure on the bar. I'm not, you know, wanging it like that. It's quite a subtle thing. Wee mistake there, but there's no extra charge for those, of course. Okay folks, so that was Wishing by Buddy Holly. I hope you enjoyed that. Back with more rock and roll next week. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I get a lot of folk viewing. It doesn't cost anything, but helps the channel to grow, and I appreciate it. And all the comments, greatly appreciate as well. That helps the channel as well. Okay folks, see you next time. Keep rocking.